my name is James Hoffey. I'm with Surfacelogix. Today we'll be applying and prepping the surface for Colorcrete. Colorcrete is a water-based colored acrylic sealer. It's designed to penetrate and bond with concrete surfaces. Colorcrete delivers a rich, durable color that resists chipping, peeling, or fading over time. First step to a successful application is starting with a clean surface. If there's an existing coating present, we recommend exposing the substrate by grinding the surface or preparing it properly. We recommend using Cobble Clean or Cobble Prep to effectively remove grease, oil, and other contaminants that may impact adhesion. Before applying Colorcrete, ensure the surface is completely clean and dry. Before applying Colorcrete, ensure all areas not being coated are fully protected. Colorcrete is a user-friendly one-component product, which means no complicated mixing. Simply stir the product thoroughly before application. Colorcrete can be applied using an airless sprayer or roller. Always maintain a wet edge, no matter the method, to prevent darker or uneven edges. For previously sealed surfaces, apply 1 coat of Colorcrete. For bare concrete or porous surfaces, apply 2 coats for full coverage and maximum durability. Colorcrete dries to the touch in 2 to 6 hours and fully cures within 24 hours. This driveway is now sealed with Colorcrete. For high trafficked areas, a top coat of our clear sealer like Cobble Lock or Cobble Coat H2O can be applied after 24 hours. For more information about Colorcrete or other Surfacelogix products, don't hesitate to contact us.